Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a coupon code on Amazon. Here's how to add a coupon code on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account. And how do you do that? Go to amazon.com and click on the sign in at the top right corner of the website. Then enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Amazon. All you need to do is from the homepage, browse or search for the items you want to purchase. So I'm heading over here and I'm just going to click on the product that I've searched for before. Then once you click on the item, go ahead and, once you search the item, click on the item so that it can take you to the item product page. Then on the product page of the product, go ahead and click on Add to Cart, which is at the far right corner of the screen. And once you click on the Add to Cart, it's going to include the item in your shopping cart. Once you've added all your items to the shopping cart, go ahead and click on the cart icon in the top right corner of the page, which is here. Just follow the cursor and it's going to take you to your cart page. So review your cart and then click proceed to checkout here to check out. Then it's going to take you right to the checkout page, which we're going to get into quickly. Now in the checkout page, which we're in here, you're going to see a couple of features, a form presented to you. Now during the checkout process, which we have in here once you are checking out, the next step, which is the payment method, of course, use the address if you want to. You're going to have to fill out this address. Have any address coming into my mind now, but let's see if I can just go ahead and click on use this address. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to have to choose anything. Okay, I'm going to have to change that next time because that shipping address is not even correct. Okay, so while you're checking out, so I've entered that shipping address, and this is the second method, which is the choose a payment method. Over here, you're going to find, or you're going to see a section for gift cards. Here, that's your available balance. You have your credit and debit card and payment plan, and then you have your available balance over here. So it's enter a gift card, voucher, or promotion code on the page. So in this section over here, enter your coupon or promo code in the text box labeled enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. So this is it. So enter your coupon code. And after entering your coupon code, go ahead and click on the apply button that is next to the box. If the code is valid, a confirmation message will appear showing the discount or promotion applied to your order. And of course, after applying the coupon code, review the updated total and shipping details. And finally, go ahead and click on place your order to complete the purchase. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.